The first thing you want to do is separate the hair that you're going to be using to create your headband, and where I recommend is where you want your headband to start. So I chose these 4 locks right here, just above the ear, just a little bit behind the ear, because I want the headband to go over like this. And because this is going to have 3 parts to the headband, I foresaw the first part is going to go over here, and then I have another section on the right side. It's going to come over this way, and then this part is going to go over again. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is pull all of your hair back, okay? So what you do is you start off with a twist, just like that. Then you're going to take some hair, okay? And you're going to put it down in the middle of those 2 locks that we just twisted. Okay, we're going to twist 1 time, just like that. Hold it open. We're going to take some hair, put it down in the middle of those 2 locks. We're going to bring it up, and you're going to twist 1 time, just like so. We're going to leave it open. We're going to hold it open. We're going to take some hair. We're going to bring it down in the middle of those 2 locks. Just like the tie back that we did at first, the 2-strand tie back. We're gonna twist it 1 time. I'm gonna hold it open. We're gonna take some hair. We're gonna bring it down in the middle. Bring that hair down to through the middle, and we're gonna twist it 1 time, just like that. And we're going to hold it open. We're gonna hold it open. Some hair. We're going to bring it right through the middle of those 2 locks. And we're going to take those 2 locks and we're going to twist it 1 time. Moving to the other side of the head, and we twisted it here, holding it open. We're going to take some hair. I'm going to bring it right through the middle, just like that. We're going to twist it once. Hold it open. We're going to take some hair. We're going to bring it back through the middle of those 2 locks, just like so. We're going to twist it again. We're going to hold it open. We're going to take some hair. Bring it back in the middle of those 2 locks. We're going to twist it again. Take some hair through the middle. The last one. We're going to go ahead and do a 2-strand twist. thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think about this 3-twist headband on locks. Help your girl grow. Share this video wherever you share cool stuff, your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter. Subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I rock with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.